Hey, welcome to a new modding tutorial. In this one I'll cover topics such as how to mod in Android without root, how to port your own mods that you made on computer for computer users to Android, and a few more steps I believe, so let's just begin. It's been a very long process for me. Anyways, so first you will have to install Loki Panther, Shizuku and MT Manager. I'll give the links down below in the description. Before we begin, just go to your settings and go to About Phone. For me, it's gonna be OS version to enable developer options. It might be different, so just look up for your own device how to turn on the developer options. For all Xiaomi, just press on the OS version a few times, it will enable it itself. And that's all, we finish it from the settings, open up Shizuku. Here just go to pairing and let's move on to developer options. Scroll a little bit down, you will have to enable USB debugging and USB debugging security settings. Go to wireless debugging and enable it. After you enable, ignore that I paired Shizuku. Just click on the pair device, it will show you a code. Since we have turned on Shizuku in the background, it says it found a device. Just like, can I copy this? No. For me the code is 081823, so let's just put it 081823. Send it. It said pairing successfully. We can just go back to Shizuku and just start it. Just waiting for the service, and there we go. Yep, very good. If you see that Shizuku is running, it says in here, then it's all successful. If you want to stop it for later, you can just press on the three dots, I think that's how it said, and press on stop Shizuku. Now I'll go to my computer to continue in this process. I have an Android emulator. I don't want to talk through the phone microphone. It's a very low quality. I don't know. It's just not comfortable for me, so see you there. Alright, now I will show you the extra steps and about Shizuku and Logi Patcher on how to install them, just to make sure. Whoops. Don't need this. For the Loki Patcher, you'll get in here and just press download, go a little bit down and just install the latest version. And for Shizuku, just you'll be in the GitHub, scroll down, install the release APK, and let's quit from here. After you install both, I just installed LP Loki Patcher. Launch the Loki Patcher, the installer. It will ask for permission, device permission, just allow it. Don't use a random app name, just, yeah. If you want, you can just customize the Loki Patcher's name, call it Panther. Whoops. It doesn't matter, you can just uncheck everything and just press yes. I just want to rename it. It's not required, not needed. And here we can install the Panther. Let it install succeed. Let's press done. And yep, here we need to provide some permissions. Since you have Shizuku running in the background, you already have root permission. So if this pop-up don't come in here, just don't mind it, ignore it. It's not really important. I have root in the emulator, so it will pop up this for me. I'll just press allow. Files, start uninstalling the installer. Yeah. Don't show this, no need. Alright, good. Now we have we got an update. We don't need to update. Just quit from Loki Panther for now and let's set up the MT Manager. Yeah, where is it? There it is. Let me install this one too. It's installed. Now I can open it. I'll just say remember my choice, allow. In here press red and agree. Allow the permissions. No need for this. Let me just switch real quick. Alright, much better. So first of first, it will be the same for Android. It's just gonna be maybe smaller. If you have two places, like in here it's storage emulated and here is just the root part, you just go to SD card and that's all. Yep. So let's create a folder. I already have a folder made SL modding. You can just press to this side, to left side, and press on the plus button and create a folder for yourself. It doesn't matter what its name, it's not important. We just need a folder. So I'll go to this folder and in here, first of first, I'll press on these three lines, go up down, select extract APK, and I think I forgot to install Smash Legends. Alright, I'll be back. I'll be back in a few. And here we have Smash Legends. This process is gonna take, depends on your phone, how fast it is, how good it is, so we will have to wait. I'll just click extract, and now we're gonna wait. Alright, it finished to extract an APK file. I'll just press on locate, and in this side we are in right here. If you have to find it, just go back, just where's the folder stuff, download stuff, press on MT2 APKs, and here we have Smash Legends. Just click on it and press on the view. We can see the base APK and some other stuff. The people who already modded the PC version already familiar with streaming assets, I believe. So I'll just open in the right side the folder I just created. And now we have to hold click and extract to the folder we did. We will do this for each of the files or folders, whatever you name it. Alright, I'm back, it finished. So I'll just hold click on the base APK. We'll choose the sign file option. In here you have to enable the remember signing options for this package name. Enable this one, don't touch anything else. Press on the customize v1 signature data file name, enable it, and I'll just write here, let's just write like this, yeah. Make sure you put this first for once com dot, and after this just name it whatever you want. I'll just name it like this, press on the OK, and now we can press on OK too, since we made a custom signature. We will do this process for each file in here. It will show up this thing. You can just press to never show up, but I need this information because I'm pretty much forgetful, so I'll just press close. Here we have now a base APK and a base sign APK. We can just delete the base. Let's just delete it. Oh, be careful not to move it to recycle bin, otherwise it will take up space, so uncheck the box and press OK. We need the sign ones for each file. It will rename them at the end of them as sign. Let's just sign a file again. By the way, if you just already assigned one of them, you don't have to configure these. It's already saved, so you just have to press OK for each of them. Alright, after signing all of them, just delete the originals. Be careful not to delete the sign ones right here, as you can see, for each of them. So I'll just delete those that doesn't have sign at the end of them. Alright, after deleting the original file, we can just rename them to their original. Just delete the sign and the lowercase dash, I think that's how it's called. So we will rename them the same as here, that's all. let me do this real quick for each of them and come back. I'm back. So now we have all of these. So to mod the game, you firstly need a compatible mod for mobile version. Like, you can't just install the existing mods already. I'll give a file down below. It's gonna be updated. It won't look the same, but it's gonna be looking better, so I'll just use the test version of the mod I just got. Oh, I forgot to install again. Alright, hold up. Let me install and come back. Alright, I got it installed, just real quick. So if you have a modded file that is compatible with the Android, it's a job for the modders. I will cover this topic too on how to make it compatible with Android phones. So just click on Unity Streaming Assets, press on the view, go to Assets, Asset Bundles, Characters. For me this one is Peter, and the example that I will give down below in the description gonna be Peter too, so let's find Peter in here. Where is he? Oh, here it is. Just hold on the skin file, press on the add, let it on normal mode. Update mode gonna be replace all, delete source file gonna be off, auto sign gonna be off. Just press on the OK, let it update the files and stuff, yada yada. After updating, just go back to, I believe, SL modding. Yup, just go back to it. Wait, no, my bad, I'm sorry. Just go back to MT2, APKs, and here we have the Smash Legends. So, let's quit from here too. By the way, just scroll up and press on the two dots, the empty folder name, to go back, or optionally you can just select this window and press on the back button in here. It doesn't matter, just do it however you want. You can see now we have a back file type of thing. We don't need it, but also don't delete it for now. So let's open up the APK to view it. And now we can just just add them back to their level gonna be normal, replace all, press on OK, and let me do this process for each of them and come back. And here I finished. Now before we quit completely, I just finished like adding the files back to here. Just press on the three dashes again up there, select extract APK. We need one more file of the Smash Legends, like it's gonna be a signature, it's gonna be like a key, you know, we need that key. So press on extract APK, and this time copy but keep both files. Select this one and press on the OK and just, you know, wait. And here the process finished. It will pop up for you like it's moved to here and there. Just press on the locate. I'll just go back to it because I missed this one. Here it is. This one that have one more one next to it, gonna be our signing. So let's quit from empty file manager and go to Lucky Patcher. Here we have Lucky Patcher. So now go to build and install, and go to SD card, MT2, APKs, select the first one, not this one, not the first one, to be honest, the second one, whichever is just normal looking, you know, you get it, you understand. After pressing on it, just press on rebuild, go to resign with original signature for Android patch. So it's the last option, click it, and in here just select application file to copy signature. press on it, select APK with signature, go to same directory. So for me it's gonna be again SD card and empty APKs, and here we will select the new extracted file that is the original, not changed. Press on it, it will ask if you sure. I'll just press yes, and just press on reassign, and after this just gonna wait, yeah, again. Alright, I'm finally back. It's been a long waiting for me. As I said, it depends phone to phone how good it is. So yeah, just let's go go to file. In here, before we install, just quit from everything directly, and we have to uninstall the original Smash Legends from our phone. I don't have, I think for me, because I'm on Android emulator, my uninstall not working, so I'll just use an app for this. It's not necessary to have it, so just go to your Android phone and uninstall it from there. For me, it's just gonna be like this. Uninstall. Fucking ads. Alright, so let's go back to where it is, Lucky Patcher. And now I'm gonna press install. It will ask if I'm sure. Yes, I am. And here it's installing. Let's just wait. Well, that's the only thing that we're doing for the past 30 minutes, at least for me. And for you, just instantly. Anyways, let me just come back when it installs. Well, finally, it's installed. Now let's go and check out our modded Smash Legends. Just click on the launch. Oh well, let me just... yeah, that's gonna be better. So you don't get a jump scare from the game. I'll just wait. Let me just close these other tabs. Click on continue. It's just regular stuff when you installed firstly the game. Yada yada. Let me just skip to the tutorial part where the game actually launches, and see you there. Alright, I'm back. So it's almost finished. Yup, there we have Peter. Modded Peter on Android. What else could you wish? You can actually, let me just tell you these things that you need to know. Firstly, you will have to need a Line account to actually sign up to, log into your actual account. So before you delete Smash Legends and before starting modding, make sure that you have connected your Smash Legends account to a Line account. You can just download it from the Play Store and create an account for this, because sign with Google doesn't work. With Apple, obviously, it won't work because we're not on Apple. I'm not sure, to be honest. You can just try it if you have two phones. And log in via Facebook. I don't have a Facebook account, so also didn't try. The only thing that I know is Google doesn't work, so before you log off, delete the game, how to say, connect it to Line account, you know? You got it. Well, that's all for the modding process. How to install the mods on your Android phone. I'll put timestamps for this video because it's gonna be a very long one, because also it's gonna be different how to make it compatible with Android for modders. So the next part gonna be how to port your own mods to mobile version. Yep. See you in a few minutes. I'm exhausted. Goodbye. Well, let's start for the modding for Android on how to port your already existing mods and stuff to phones, you know, to Android. Firstly, you will need a phone, yeah, obviously, and a USB cable. You have to connect it to your computer. It's the best way to do this. because we need an APK file of the latest version of Smash Legends. So let me just put my cable to my phone and connect it to my computer. Alright, I'm back. So in the first part of how to import the mods in the Android, I showed how to turn on developer options and required stuff. You can just watch from there to enable USB debugging and stuff. You won't need the wireless one, just enable the USB debugging and choose the file transfer to be show folders and stuff in the phone, so you can actually see the folders, files of your phone. Yeah, let's go to internal storage. I have a SD card, so it will be for you the internal storage. Yeah, I'll just go to, I think, MT2 APKs, and here I extracted an APK file from the MT file manager. I showed this process too. So I can just grab this APK file to my computer. I'll just wait and come back real quick. Alright, I'm back. Here's the file. Let me just put it to visible place. Yeah. So you can just, I think, open it up with WinRAR. I'll just press this time once, and as you can see here we have the same files that we have in the APK. Yeah, just get this streaming assets pack outside of the, APK file. And here we have it. Whoops, can't. Yep. No, we don't need the actual one that we had. Just rename this one to zip, I believe. That's how it works. It will say blah blah. Anyways, just open it up. After opening it up, it might take a little bit long. Go to assets, asset bundles, characters. After this, it's just the same process, but since the Android files is kind of different from how to say computer version, you have to put the texture again on top of it. So I'll just go to, I don't know, I'll just go to Marina, yeah. And I want to edit, for example, the skin 009. I'll just open up, goddamn, where is it? The UABA. I showed how to get this tool in the first video. I will leave this one too in the description. I had to make it private because, well, my channel was a Nightcore channel. Anyways, I have a texture already in here. It's from Alter. I will use it in this video thanks to him because I needed a default skin of the Peter. Well, it doesn't matter at this point what texture you have. I'll just show you how to, like, if you already edited a texture, you have to put it to Android file. So it's just the same process, but we're using the Android files. Yeah. So let me just copy this file in here, open it up with UABA by just dragging it in here, click on memory, press on info, and oh boy, here's another mess. Just press on the view, press on the filter, deselect everything, select only the texture 2D, close this window, and well, here we have, where's the body base color? Yup. Go to plugins, edit texture, press OK. Do not change anything. It's different in here, as you can see. As far as I remember, this was different for the computer BC7, and now it's ASTC RGB 6x6. That's the difference. So Hazmat Maps is readable. You check this too. Press on load texture. Load the edited texture for your own. That already existing mod that you just made for the PC version. Click on open. press on save, and click on file, save, press OK, close this window, go to file again, and press save. If you get an error, just redo the same process, or just move the skin file to another place and try it again. It sometimes freaks out, I don't know why. Anyways, press save, and just close it. Now you can just rename it probably to nothing, or just rename it as dash Android. It's up to you how you will name it. Just make sure not to delete the skin, the skin name of the actual file, you know. Well, that's all. I mean, there is nothing more. Enjoy it. I'm very tired of this process. It's been weeks I'm working on this. Well, except for the recording, but that's not the topic. If you find it useful, if it worked for you, consider a like or subscribe. Well, it doesn't matter, I'm just doing this for fun. See you in another modding tutorial. Have fun. Goodbye.